Awareness is always a good thing, even if it hurts. Because once you bring it into awareness, then there's the possibility for something else, right? And then you get to choose. You get to choose whether you run that pattern again or you do the something else. And in that choosing lies your freedom. That's where the freedom is. Even if you don't like the choice, the fact that you have a choice is liberating. And so if you don't see, right, if you don't have the awareness, I say good because if you don't have the awareness and you don't see, then you are destined to repeat the nonsense or the bullshit until you do become aware. You will repeat, you will have the Groundhog's Day over and over and over again until you choose something else.